Hey everybody, just wanted to share a little bit of information with you guys about my Kenwood radio that I purchased a couple of days ago. The model on this guy is going to be a Kenwood KDC-X 798. Actually, it's the 500 model. Because it has the HD radio. But anyway, the problem is the radio works fine, but the designers of it kind of overlooked the fact that the knob it's kind of slick. There's no filling into this knob. It's kind of slippery, you know. And so I've looked into a couple of different solutions. I'm trying to find rubber bands. It's just not going to work for you because it needs to be a certain, width and length and radius or whatnot. But what I did find at the hobby shop was a set of Bridgestone tires, and these tires are made by Pegasus, and they're only like $4 at the hobby shop. You can see that. But these are the perfect size for this knob. And so basically it's a $1 solution, a $4 solution. You only need one of these guys. I'm trying to film and do this with one hand. It's kind of outrageous. But basically, what you want to do is just pop this guy off of here. And to stretch this on here, it fits pretty tight. But if you look at this tire, it's just a pretty deep tire. So what you could actually do is, if you'd like, you can probably cut this guy in half to get on here, but I just like to put it on here just to show you guys if I can get on here with one hand. Let me try that with two hands. You can see where I'm going with this. Now if you push this tire all the way down, it will have a tendency to rub against the side of the call button, and it's kind of stiff. You don't want it stiff, so what you're gonna have to do is just kind of back this up a little bit off of here, all the way around. I apologize for the shakiness on this video. This is my first video. Please feel free to leave a comment or any suggestions. If you pull that up just a little bit, and then you can be able to Alright, this is kind of the finished product. Let me kind of put this guy in the light so you can see what's going on here. Oh, it's too much light. But anyway, this is kind of what it looks like. This tire does have the Bridgestone logo kind of on the sidewall. You can see that, and it has a nice little tread pattern. Feels pretty good in your hand as you turn it, you know. and it's gonna last quite a long time. It'll probably last you longer than a standard postal rubber band. Rubber band from Staples or somewhere, Office Depot. But yeah, this works pretty well. And for $4, it's an easy solution. I got 3 more of these guys. So if anyone has the same issue and can't find any of these guys at the hobby shop and would like for me to purchase one of these things, I guess I have to charge you $2 for one of these guys, and I'll ship it out to you guys. So if you're interested, shoot me an email or leave a comment. Feel free to like this post, and have a good day. Let's put some music on for you guys.